Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redline Monster. Tuning back in. So we're changing the exhaust right now from this one, getting on stock right now. So the Borla exhaust is on this one and the downpipe, but downpipe is not being transferred. Just the Borla Catback Type S exhaust is being transferred from a manual 2019 2.0 is going to be going on 2019 2.0 as well. So right now he's got a stock one, my friend, and we're going to be putting this one on. All right, this is a stock exhaust right there, looking ugly. The huge mufflers.
What sound difference am I going to get?
All right, so we got two hangers in the back right here, and on the same side, we got one small hanger over here, right there. And we got another hanger here. And what else we got? 3 bolts. Yes, sir. 3 bolts over here. And then after that, that's connected to the downpipe. For you people don't know about how exhaust system works, you have a downpipe over there with the O2 sensors. And then you got the front pipe. And after that is what you have the exhaust. You got 2.0s have 2 resonators, which is this and that. So if you're looking for a resonator delete, you make sure you remove both if you're looking for the sound, not one, because you guys been doing one. So that's the resonator 1, resonator number 2. A 1.5 has only 1 resonator, it's in the middle somewhere here. So yeah, and then mufflers, 2.0 and the 1.5 Sport, they both have those 2 mufflers in the back. And we're swapping these out right now with the bolt-on Borla Catback Type S exhaust. I will put my affiliate link in the description below for Amazon as well. I do get a commission, so no extra cost to you guys. But let's see how it sounds like once it's done. We'll do a few revs in the drive. That's it. So that's what it sounds like, a Catless downpipe with the Borla Catback Type S. Yo, Sergio.
Yeah.
Can we rev it once? Yo, Sergio. Rev it once or twice. There you go. Smash the like button for that. So we will find out what a Catless downpipe sounds like on a stock exhaust and what a Borla Catback Type S exhaust sounds like on a stock downpipe. Okay? Alright, so you got the Borla exhaust. That's what it's gonna look like when you get yours. Except the hanger stuff, of course. That just gets transferred. Yeah, so I mean you get it without those rubber pieces, I mean. It went up, it looks like it's 3-inch pipe going up like that. And then this was transferred from the previous car Accord, and then you got 3 bolts over there. No resonators in the middle at all. Just 2 small mufflers in the back. And it's 3-inch pipe. Alright, so this is how it sounds like with the Catless downpipe and a stock exhaust. Alright, let's go to the front real quick. One more? Yeah. Cool. I bet you guys don't. I bet you guys never seen that or heard that, so that's first on the channel right now. Exhaust is finally back on. Now let's hear it. All right, so what do we got? Stock downpipe and a Borla Catback Type S exhaust on a 2019 2.0 manual. We'll give this a nice rev real quick, so let's see what it sounds like. it. Now let's take it for a drive, and we'll hear it, see how it sounds on inside, and we'll keep the windows open as well and see how that sounds.
Well, push it.
Dans 4,4 km, sortez la ligne 390 Nord. Passage à
Yeah, it sounds good. It's windy over here, so it's hard to hear it. There's no drone inside at all, which is perfect. Oh yeah. All right, this concludes the video. Sounds good. You guys got the revs already, pretty clean. So that's it, fam. Make you guys subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of upcoming content. And that's about it. That's the best I can get for you guys at this point. So peace out till next time.